Hey, this is a quick tutorial on how to do an SMD chip using a cheap Harbor Freight air gun, heat gun. This isn't a how-to on how to do an SMD. There's plenty of those out there, but it was asked that I show you how I'm doing this. It may not be the right way, but it's a very cheap way and it works for me. You can see I already put a bead of the liquid solder on there. This stuff, just threw that on there. I'm going to put the chip on there real quick. Okay, and then using the $15 Harbor Freight heat gun, I put it on low setting first until it liquefies, and then I'll switch it to the high setting until it gets nice and warm, and you'll actually see the solder suck in there. I do keep it moving around so it doesn't burn anything. You can see it's liquefied. So now I'm going to switch it to the higher setting. And there it goes. Quick and easy. Like I said, it may not be the right way, but it saved me from having to build an oven or buy a reflow thingy that's more expensive. Like I said, this is just a cheap $15 one from Harbor Freight. So take it or leave it. Like I said, it works for me. May not be the right way, but it's cheap and it's easy.